Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 best checking accounts. So, we're looking or talking about the 5 best checking accounts to consider right now, especially if you're tired of monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance rules, and random charges that hit your account for no reason at all. So, let's go and jump in with one that's honestly super underrated if you use your debit cards a lot. So, we have Discover Cashback Debit. Now, the big hook here is that it can earn 1% cashback on up to $3,000 in debit purchases each month, which is cool, which is also rare for a debit card. Discover also promotes no monthly fees, and they have an early pay feature that can give you access or give access to qualifying direct deposits up to 2 days early. So if you want a checking account that quietly rewards the everyday spending without making you jump through hoops, well, this one is a strong pick. Next is we have Ally Bank or Ally Bank spending account. Now, this one is a solid choice if you want an online account that still feels practical in real life. So Ally highlights no monthly maintenance fees and no overdraft fees, plus access to 75,000 plus no fees ATMs. And they also have early direct deposits as a free feature. The one thing that makes Ally feel different is the buckets feature, basically a way to separate money inside your account like digital envelopes. So it's easier to keep rent, bills, and spending money from blending together. And yes, it can even earn a little interest depending on your balance tier. Now, if you want a checking account that feels more like an all-in-one money app, well, we have SoFi checking and savings. Well, usually in this conversation, it's set up as a combo. And the big appeal is the no fee vibe plus perks like getting paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. Sometimes a direct deposit bonus up to $300 depending on the promo period and requirements. They also explain if the IC coverage, including their insured deposit program that can extend coverage beyond the standard limit through participating banks. Now, just remember SoFi's rates and bonus terms can change, so it's worth checking the current terms before signing up. Now, another easy no drama option is going to be Capital One 360 checking. Now, Capital One markets this as a fee-free online checking account with no fees, no minimums, and no overdraft fees. And they also push their huge 70,000 plus fee-free ATM network through Capital One and partner ATMs. Now, if ATM access matters and you don't want to hunt for your bank's logo every time you need cash, that ATM network is a big advantage here. And rounding this out, we have Chime Checking. Now, Chime Checking here is one of the most popular no-fee style account. Chime highlights no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no overdraft fees. Plus features like getting paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. Their Spot Me feature is also a big part of why people choose Chime, since it can allow fee-free overdrafts up to a limit when you qualify. They also mention a large fee-free ATM network, often shown as 47,000 plus locations at places like Walgreens, CVS, and even 7-Eleven. So, the easiest way to pick from this list here is to match it to your lifestyle. Now, if you want debit rewards, well, Discover here stands out. Now, if you want organization tools and a classic online bank feel, we have Ally. Now, if you want modern banking plus perks combo, well, SoFi here is worth comparing. Now, if ATM access is a big thing for you, well, Capital One is the strong one here. Now, if you want a simple no-fee setup with features like Spot Me, Chime, well, it is going to be your top pick. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.